Hello, my name is Marina, and today I would like to show you how I built a humanoid robotic hand which I can control with my own hand gestures. And I would like to share that this project is an inspiration of my classmates' senior design project. I saw it at my university and I thought that it was so cool and I got very inspired. I wanted to build something like this myself, and now I'm sharing it on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it was useful for you. If you got stuck at any point or have any issues, please feel free to email me. I enjoy getting your emails and solving this type of problems and learning something new about this industry. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful